Week 11 question 4 asks us a number of questions related to Nike's campaign. They feel as though their effective frequency is 3, and they're planning to launch a campaign that delivers the following results. And so we see 8 different segments of the population essentially who've seen different variations of the ad time slot, whether they've seen it 1 time, and in which slot did they see it, 2 times, or 3 times, or no times. So we're asked to fill in, first of all, the frequency column. So again, the frequency column is the number of times that the households have been exposed to the ad. So for segment number 1, they saw the ad 0 times, so it has a 0 frequency. There's 1 spot shown during the Stanley Cup final, so we have a frequency of 1 here. 1 for segment 3, 1 for segment 4, 2 X's for segment 5, 2 X's for segment 6, 2 X's for segment 7, and 3 X's for segment 8. So what we're seeing here is the X represents an ad displayed. And so the frequency is the impressions that would have been yielded to the folks that happen to be tuned in at that time. The next thing we're asked to calculate is the percentage of households for segment 1. Well, there has to be 100%. Households have to be broken up into 100%. And so if you tally up all of these, what you'll come to is 57. Therefore, 100% minus 57% is 43%. So 43% of all households did not see our ad at all. The rating for each program is calculated by adding the reach associated with each box that has an X. So in this case, we have an X for Stanley Cup Final, and that was 5% of households. An X here, that was 13%, an X here, 9, an X here, 6. So we're calculating the reach for the Stanley Cup Final is 5 plus 13 plus 9 plus 6 to a tally of 33. So our rating is 33, meaning we've reached 33% of all households during the Stanley Cup Final. The U.S. Open, on the other hand, again, we're tallying up the X's here and their corresponding population. Oh, I'm so sorry. I circled the 10 there and I shouldn't have. Okay, there we go. So tallying all those up, we also get 33, purely coincidental. And then for the last one, we're going to tally up again our X's here. So we're circling all of the corresponding numbers to, again, purely coincidental rating of 33. So we've reached 33% of the population with each of our ads that has shown in one of 3 different time slots. The next question asks us for the effective reach of the campaign. So the effective reach of the campaign essentially is the percentage of the population that has seen the ad a minimum of 3 times. So those that have seen the ad 3 times or more. Well, the only segment that has 3 X's, meaning they've seen the ad 3 times, would be segment 8, representing 6% of the population. So the effective reach for the campaign is 6. The total GRPs of the media plan, don't forget that GRPs are just the total sum of the ratings achieved. So it's 33 plus 33 plus 33 for total GRPs of 99. The total reach, on the other hand, is the percentage of the population that was reached with at least 1 impression. Well, we know, again, this tallies up to 57. 43 saw nothing, so again, it must be 57% is your total reach, 57% of the population. The average frequency, again, can be calculated. We know that GRPs is equal to average frequency times your reach. So if you take GRPs of 99 and divide by reach of 57, you'll get an average frequency of 1.74.